Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to learn the lesson Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. Now you know the meaning of Unbeatable Supermom. Okay, so this lesson is in the form of interview. So in the beginning of this interview, a general information about the life and work of Mary Kom is given by the writer. So let's read that information first and try to understand about the life and work of Mary Kom. So open page number 147 and look into the first paragraph. Pay attention to the first paragraph. I am reading that paragraph. There had to be one successful story if Indians were to survive in sports, and we have that story now. Enough has been said about this great warrior who conquered the world. This warrior is none other than Mary Mangte Kom, the conqueror and the comrade. She is famed as a 5 times World Boxing Championship and the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 World Championships. In the 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. So, this is the first paragraph. Did you listen to the paragraph well? Now, from this paragraph, find out the answer for the question. What was Mary Kom's exceptional achievement? What was Mary Kom's exceptional achievement? Find out the answer to this from this paragraph. Did you find out the answer? Yes. The answer to this question is Mary Kom's exceptional achievement was that she was 5 times World Boxing Championship and the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 World Championships. Okay. Now, here tell me, who has been called warrior, the great warrior? Obviously, Mary Kom has been called the great warrior because she has conquered the world in the field of boxing. Okay. So, let's read the next paragraph on the same page. Kom was born in Kangtheri village, Moirang, Lamkhai in Churachandpur, district of rural Manipur in eastern India. She came from a poor family. Her parents, Mangte Tonpa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom, were tenant farmers who worked in zoom fields. Kom grew up in humble surroundings, helping her parents with farm-related chores, going to school and learning athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. Her father was a keen wrestler in his younger age. So this was the second paragraph. From this second paragraph, find out the answer to the next question. And the next question is, how did the Kom's parents make a living? Okay. How did Kom's parents make a living? Find out the answer to this from the paragraph. Did you get it? Yeah. Kom's parents were tenant farmers who worked in zoom fields and they made their living by working on the farms. Okay. Now, you also come to know the names of Mary Kom's parents. Mangte Tonpa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom. So these are the names of her parents. They were tenant farmers. They live in humble surroundings, and she used to help her. Mary used to help her parents in with farm related chores. Okay, let's read the third paragraph. She had an eager interest in athletics since childhood, and the success of Ding Ko Singh, a fellow Manipuri, returned from the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal. Khom recollects had inspired many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing, and she too thought of giving it a try. Now, from this paragraph, tell me who was Ding Ko Singh? Yes, exactly. Ding Ko Singh is a fellow Manipuri who returned from the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal. That means he was the winner of a gold medal in 1998 Bangkok Asian Games. And he had inspired many youngsters in Manipur at that time. And Khom also was inspired by him. Okay. And she also decided to give it a try. Okay. Let's take the next paragraph. Mary Com's career started in 2000 after her victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the Regional Championship in West Bengal in 2001. Regional Championship in West Bengal. In 2001, she started competing at international level. She was only 18 years old when she made her international debut at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States, winning a silver medal in the 48 kg weight category. Her greatness is reinforced by the way she apologized to the whole nation for not being able to win the gold. She is a legend for sure and an idol for all the sportswomen to look up to. Okay. So, on this paragraph, I have one question for you. Find out the answer to this question. So, what has added to Khom's greatness as a boxing championship? Did you get the answer from the paragraph? Yes, Khom's apology to the nation for not winning gold has added to Khom's greatness as a boxing championship. Now, do you know what is AIBA? In the margin, the meaning of AIBA is given. The Amateur International Boxing Association is AIBA. And what do you mean by debut? Debut means first public appearance or performance. Okay. So Mary was a legend. Mary is a legend means she is the one who makes a history. She is the person who makes a history in the field of boxing. Okay. Now, open page number 148. So, on this page, an interview of Mary Kom was given. The selected part of that interview was given. Let's read her interview and try to understand that interview. Okay, so pay attention to the interview. In an exclusive interview with Sportskeeda correspondent Taruka Srivastava, Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom talked about her preparation for the Olympics and her elation at winning a medal. Okay, from this it is clear who has taken this interview. The Sportskeeda correspondent Taruka Srivastava has taken this interview. And this is the interview of a Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom. In this interview, she is talking about her preparation for the Olympics and her elation, her great joy at winning a medal. Elation means a great joy. So the first question interviewer asks, first things first, you are the first Indian female boxer to win an Olympics medal for India. Has the feeling completely sunk in? Here, sink in means realized or accepted. Okay, Mary Kom said, I am really happy with my achievement. And yes, it is yet to sink in. It is yet to be accepted by me. I am just so exhilarated. Exhilarated means very thrilled. I am so exhilarated. That means I am very overjoyed now. Okay. The interviewer said, you are the only female representative from India in boxing. Did that put additional pressure on you? Mary Kom said, no, not at all. I was pretty confident about myself. I knew. Okay. So here the question is given, what failed to pressurize Mary? What failed to pressurize Mary Kom during the Olympics? The answer to this is, being the only female representative from India in boxing failed to pressurize Mary Kom during the Olympics. Okay. The next question by the interviewer. Your coach Charles Atkinson was not allowed to accompany you to the Olympics. How did that affect your preparations? So Charles Atkinson was her coach, and he was not allowed to accompany Mary Kom to the Olympics. Mary Kom said, well, I did miss him. I did miss him there, but thankfully we had already done our homework and I was well prepared. Okay. The next question from the interviewer. During your preparations for the Olympics, you sparred with the male boxers of the Indian contingent. Who was your favorite sparring partner? Here the word sparring means motions of boxing during training without landing actual blows. Okay. So Mary answers to this question like this. Mary laughs and says, well, I trained hard in Pune and the male boxers were kind enough to practice with me whenever I required them. To name a favorite would be unfair. That means she did not want to take any particular name as her favorite sparring partner, because that would hurt them, according to her. Okay. The next question from the interviewer is, you are quoted saying Adams was very clever, a counter puncher, but although she carried power, she wasn't very tactical. I was scoring, but the judges were not pressing the buttons. Do you think dodgy judging was part of the reason for your loss in the semi-finals? Here the word tactical means planned actions to gain victory. Her opponent was Adams, and Adams was very clever. She had a great power. She was a great counter puncher, but she did not have any plan. She did not have any planned actions to gain victory, according to Mary Kom. So, according to Mary Kom, dodgy means unjust or partial judging was the part of reason of her loss in the semi-finals. Okay. Mary Kom said, yes, I think some of the decisions were unfortunate and did not work to my benefit. So according to her, there had been a partial judging, dodgy judging, and that was the part of reasons for her loss in the semi-finals. Interviewer again asked the question, India managed just 6 medals in the 2012 Olympics, even though we are a nation of 1.3 billion people. Where do you think a change is required to help us win medals that are proportionate with our population? So our population is great, but we have won only 6 medals in the 2012 Olympics. So to this, Mary Kom replies, I think more and more people should take up sports as a full-time career if we want more gold medals. More corporates should come in and sponsor players so that the players don't have any financial pressure and can just focus on their games. Okay, sponsor means organization that pays or aids sportsmen or sports event. So many companies should come forward, many industries should come forward to help the players, and the players also should take up sports as a full-time career if we want more gold medals according to Mary Kom. Okay. Again, the interviewer asked the next question. Do you think interest in boxing in India will ever go beyond the Olympics? To this, Mary Kom answers, yes, I am sure that in a few years, boxing will be very popular among everyone in India, all the year round. So Mary Kom is very optimistic. She thinks that boxing will be popular among Indians and for the whole year around, not only for the period of Olympics only. Okay. Now the next question from the interviewer is, how aware are Indian women of their nutritional requirements? Diet and nutrition must have been a key factor in your conditioning for the Olympics. Do you think nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sports? Here the word conditioning means becoming fit. So, for becoming fit as a boxer, diet and nutrition is a must. So, what is the view, what is the opinion of Mary Kom on this? She says, the awareness is growing now among the female athletes when it comes to nutritional requirements. Nutrition has definitely been a neglected area in Indian sports. I had to gain 3 kgs since I had to fight in the 51 kg event instead of the usual 48 kgs that I fight in. So I had to focus on what to eat. I gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food rather than bad saturated foods. Bad saturated food means unhealthy fats. So Mary Kom had to gain 3 kgs because she had to fight in the 51 kg event instead of the usual 48 kgs. And that's why she had to give more attention to her diet, to her nutrition, and that's why she had to eat only the right kind of healthy food. Okay. The next question from the interviewer, how big a role did OGQ play in shaping the boxing scene in India for the better? Now what is OGQ? OGQ means Olympic Gold Quest. This is a organization or an organization. So what is the role of OGQ? So Mary Kom says, OGQ really played an important part in my success. They helped me out whenever I needed something. They took care of everything, which helped me focus on my boxing and kept me stress-free. So, according to Mary Kom, OGQ was really helpful to her. OGQ helped her. OGQ took care of everything and helped her to focus on her boxing. Okay, and kept her stress-free. The next question from the interviewer is, what's your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? How is the future of Indian boxing? Mary Kom says, the future is very bright and I am sure many more boxers will get medals for us. That means Mary Kom is again very optimistic about the future of boxing in India. Interviewer again asks the question, do you find it difficult to convince your children not to fight when they watch you go out and do it in style all the time? So this is somewhat a familiar question. To this familiar question, Mary Kom answers, well, I have twins and yes, sometimes it becomes really difficult to keep them under control. That means Mary Kom had twins and she agreed that sometimes it was difficult for her to control her twins from fighting. Okay. So on page number 50, the next question, the interviewer asks the next question, will you train your kids to become boxers as well? Mary Kom answers, I haven't really thought about it. As of now, just let their mothers box. So she did not say anything about her kids. She did not tell anything about her children. So she thinks that let them decide their career. The next question interviewer asks, you have broken several stereotypes about the women in India by showing that women can compete with men in any field. But how good are you at the traditional feminine activities like cooking? Here the word stereotype means a fixed idea held as a common standard. So she had broken many stereotypes, many traditions about women in India by showing that women also can compete with men in any field. No field is aligned to women. So to this, Mary Kom replies, well, I am good at cooking and other household work too. So I like cooking, I am good at cooking, I can do cooking well and other household work also. Interviewer again asks her, would you be interested in coaching Indian women in boxing one day? To this, Mary Kom answers, let's see, in the future, maybe yes. Means in future, she would like to train, she would like to give coaching to Indian women in boxing. Okay. And the last question by the interviewer is, what do you prefer, being called super mom or super boxer? So to this, Mary Kom replies, I love being a mom. That's the best thing that has ever happened to me. So instead of being called super boxer, she would like to be called super mom. So according to her, that was the best thing that has ever happened to her. She has become the super mom. Okay. Now, here we have completed the interviewer. So, one question is there. What is Mary Kom more proud of, being a boxer or a mother? Obviously, Mary Kom is more proud of being a mother than a boxer. And on the same page, page number 150, her awards, the awards and recognitions of Mary Kom are given. So, go through those awards and recognitions and try to recognize her work. Okay, so that's here we have completed this lesson, and as usual you have the homework, and the homework for you is nothing but the activities in English workshop. Okay, thank you.